Guys, this is abacha. I don't know if you guys know abacha. This is it. I think is very delicious. Let's test it. This is abacha. They say, because I don't know these white things, so the woman later explains, say these things, let me carry it. These white things, cassava. I don't know how they do it, sha. But let's test it. Let's test it and see. With pomo, little pomo. It's peppery show. Preserve. This is Igbo food, I guess. Yeah, but I like it, sha. It's cool. Garden egg day inside. Abacha. But I say I go marry Igbo girl because of this thing. I like it. Okay. It's very nice. And it's cheap, of course.